The next divine name is Al-Muhyi, Al-Mumeet, meaning the giver of life and the giver of death. Allah, the Exalted, alone created and controls both life and death. The Muslim who understands this divine name will submit and sincerely obey Allah, the Exalted, by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience without fearing any of the creation, while knowing nothing controls life or death except Allah, the Exalted. In addition, a Muslim who recognizes this fact will understand that as Allah, the Exalted, chose the beginning and end of every creation, He has also chosen everything that occurs in between. The choices of Allah, the Exalted, are unavoidable, so one should not become impatient when facing them. Instead, they should simply sincerely obey Allah, the Exalted, in every situation, so that they obtain reward with every passing moment. For example, they should demonstrate patience during times of difficulty, and demonstrate true gratitude by using the blessings they possess correctly in times of ease. This has been advised in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 7500. A Muslim should act on this divine name by bringing their spiritual heart to life, and cause death to their ego and negative characteristics, by striving to remove them from themselves through obtaining and acting on Islamic knowledge. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.